To celebrate International Women's Day, we spoke with four remarkable women living in Friuli Venezia Giulia about leadership, challenges, and opportunity.
Beh, per me essere al comando della Compagnia dei Carabinieri di Trieste è un vero onore, oltre che una grandissima responsabilità, perché alle mie dipendenze comunque ci sono un po' meno di 200 carabinieri, quindi, dirigere e coordinare il loro lavoro quotidiano non è semplice, ma è sicuramente molto, di grande motivazione per me.
Many times the world is about the man, and the woman is not considered on the top of the decision, and many times they don't want to leave the decision to a woman. But it's important to insist in this way, and in that people know you and the competition, and so the things is transformer, no? And I wanted to say that many times my grandmother say to me, the man is a head and the woman is a neck.
British School, buongiorno. Everybody's sort of talking about gender biases, and there are lots of things that, governments and associations are doing to support women in all their roles, including in leadership ones. You still find you sometimes are badged with some like stereotypical ideas. And you sometimes feel that you need to be bringing out a slightly tougher, harder side to sort of allow yourself to be in a position of leadership and to sort of make sure that others who are looking at you recognize this idea of, leader and sort of respect you for it.
So it taught me how to be efficient and organized, and how hard is to love since it requires a total gift of oneself.
Would you say to younger girls who want to be like you?
Assist many times, one, two, three, four times, until you arrive where you want.
Mutual aid in the family when there are difficult times.
Alle giovani donne dico che è possibile fare tutto con motivazione, determinazione e si può raggiungere qualsiasi obiettivo, quindi perché non fare ingresso nell'Arma dei Carabinieri.
Work on your talent, be as educated as you can and just really go for it.